Along with drawing freeform paths, you can also create straight lines that can be constrained to 45-degree angles with the pencil tool. And that's what you'll do next. So move the pointer over the red dot down here. And what I want you to do is press and drag around the bottom of the shape. Get it as close as you can to the actual shape. And release the mouse over here. And the next part of the path you draw will be straight. As you draw with the pencil tool, you can easily continue paths you draw. So move the pointer over the end of the path you drew already, and you should see a line appear. Press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, and drag up to the orange dot. Now the Option key or Alt key makes it straight. When you reach the orange dot, release the key but not the mouse. Keep dragging around, or drawing around. When you get to this dot here, press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows. Continue drawing down until you get to the red dot again. And when you see the 0 or the O, release the mouse button and then the key to close the path. With the path selected, let's change the fill color. So come over here and choose this cattail color. And then make sure that the stroke weight is 0. Select the selection tool. Shift drag a corner to make it about half its size or a little smaller. That looks pretty good. And then do the same thing for the green leaf shape. Click on it and let's make it about half the size or so. Release the mouse button and then the key. Choose View, Fit All in Windows so we can see all the artboards. And what I want to do is we're going to actually drag the shapes onto the swan artwork. So drag the leaf down here and then drag this cattail up here. There we go, looks pretty good. Now for each of the shapes, you're going to make some copies. So what I want you to do is you're going to copy and rotate. So press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows. Drag this here, for instance. Rotate. That looks pretty good, and you can drag to adjust it if you want. Do the same thing here. Option drag. Move the pointer off and rotate. Now, I just missed it. It gets a little tricky. There we go. All right, nice. And you can do the same thing to the leaves if you want. Option drag to make copies. And after you do that, you can also rotate them and drag them around, make them look the way you want. Option drag, rotate, drag. There we go. It looks pretty good. You can just do a bunch of different things. It's totally fine.